Ramona Park, also known as Ramona Green, is one of the most iconic and beloved urban parks in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Located in the heart of the city, it serves as a vital green lung for the capital. Here is a detailed overview of the park. Natural environment. Greenwash is the park spans a vast area filled with a diverse collections of trees, flowering shrubs, and meticulously maintained lawns. It provides as a must-need escape from the dense concrete jungle of Dhaka. The lake, a prominent feature of the park, is its large central lake, which adds to the tranquil spur and attacks various birds, making it a spot for natural lovers and photographers. I want to tell that it is a very beautiful place of Dhaka areas because it is natural beauty of Dhaka. Activities and lifestyles, fitness and wellness. It is the primary destination for health conscious residents with its well paved walkways. It is packed every morning and evening with joggers, walkers, and people practicing yoga or light exercise. Social hub, the park serves as a common ground for students, families, and friends to sit, chat, and spend leisure time away from the noise of traffic. Facilities, it offers designated sitting areas, walking tracks, and some small food beverage kiosks to cater to visitors. In short, Ramana Park is more than just a public space. It is an essential part of Dhaka's heritage and a peaceful retreat for anyone living in or visiting the city. Really, it is a wonderful place of a new visitor in Dhaka area. Pohela Boishak, Ramana Park holds immense cultural importance, particularly on the first day of Bengali New Year. The iconic Batamul, the Bonaventry area, is the epicenter of the Grand Sayanat culture program, which marks the traditional celebration of the day. Visiting information atmosphere. While it remains lively, the park is generally well maintained and provides a calm, refreshing environment. Best time to visit. The early morning hours right after sunrise are ideal for those who enjoy the crisp fresh air and fitness activities. Late afternoons are perfect for relaxing and enjoying the day. Things to keep in mind. Midday closure. The park shutdowns between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. for maintenance and management purpose, a policy that has been a point of public discussion among urban planners and regular visitors. Maintenance and conservation. While the park is generally kept in the better condition than many other public spaces in Dhaka, there are ongoing discussions among environmentalists regarding the need for more aggressive tree plantation to replace again or fallen trees to ensure the park's long-term green legacy. Transport. The park is easily accessible via the Dhaka Metro. The Shahabag and Bangladesh Secretarial Station are the closest stops. Current status July 2026. Operation hours. The park remains open daily, though it offers on a split schedule 6 a.m., 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Recent updates. As of June 2026, the Ministry of the Housing and Public Work has directly further efforts towards enhancing the park's cleanliness and overall beauty. The follows recent years of renovation, which includes installing modern lighting, building wooden deck around the lake, and upgrading walkways to red ceramic bricks. Accessibility. The park is open to general public. It remains a carbon scenic for the city.